Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another protective style. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but Bantu knots, China bumps, whatever you want to call them, they're making a comeback and I am so here for it because I think they're so cute. I was able to do this style in like 45 minutes. It did not take me long at all. The part that did take me the longest amount of time was parting my hair, but I kind of prepped it last night. I have 5 bumps in the front. The parting doesn't have to be exactly like mine. I didn't want it to be too complicated because I ain't got time for that. And I basically have 2 at the bottom and I think 3 in the middle. If you guys can see that. I didn't even use a full pack of hair. So if you guys want to see how I got this style, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I saved these last 2 sections so that I can show you how I did it step by step. I already sectioned my hair off. I smoothed my edges down using Shine and Jam, and I put my hair into ponytails using a regular rubber band dipped in oil. Make sure that you don't tie your hair down with the rubber band too tight. I think I only did about 2 or 3 rotations because I get headaches easily and you don't want that. I'm going to apply more Shine and Jam to the length of my hair just to smooth it down a little more. This stuff is the truth. It sticks my hair so nicely and it makes my hair really shiny. I love that about it. I used about a 1-inch size piece of braiding hair for each knot, but if you want them bigger or smaller, just adjust the width of your hair to your liking, but this is perfect for the size that I was going for. To start, loop the hair over the rubber band. Since I am braiding, I'm using 3 strands of hair, obviously, my ponytail being one of the 3 strands of hair. And then I'll just braid it down as normal. Eventually, I will take some of my hair and add it to the pieces of the braiding hair, which I'm showing you here. I feel like this is so much easier to watch than to explain, but you know, I'll do both. Once I get to the point where my hair is ending, I use more of the Shine and Jam just to smooth it down. And if I was wearing my braids down, I'd be way more particular about this. But since I'm just going to knot it anyway, this is fine. When I braided it to the end, I wrapped the braid around itself to create the knot, but make sure you don't do it too tight.
too.
And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you were inspired to try this style. I think it turned out pretty cute. Like, I can definitely rock this for a couple days. The only thing I'm worried about is sleep, because I don't know how I'm gonna sleep in these, but we'll see. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.